What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a type of cryptocurrency. It enables a new payment system and a completely digital form of money. It was the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network ever made. Bitcoin is powered by its users with no central authority or middlemen. No government or bank controls Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pretty much like cash for the internet. There are no physical Bitcoins. Bitcoins are balances kept on a public ledger. Everyone has transparent access to this ledger. All Bitcoin transactions are verified by a massive amount of computing power. Bitcoin is not legal tender, but it is money. It's real money. But it is not issued or backed by any banks or governments. Bitcoin is very popular and has triggered the launch of hundreds of other cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin system is a collection of computers. Those computers are referred to as nodes or miners. Those computers all run Bitcoin's code. All the computers running the Bitcoin software have the same list of transactions. The computers can transparently see these new Bitcoin transactions. Because of the Bitcoin network and the software, no one can cheat the system. Nobody owns the Bitcoin network, much like no one owns the technology behind email. Bitcoin is controlled by all Bitcoin users around the world. Behind the scenes, the Bitcoin network is sharing a public ledger called the blockchain. This ledger contains every transaction ever processed. That allows a user's computer to verify the validity of each transaction. That's why Bitcoin has never been hacked and never will be. There are a growing number of businesses and individuals using Bitcoin. Balances of Bitcoin tokens are kept using public and private keys. Bitcoin keys are long strings of numbers and letters. They're linked through the mathematical encryption algorithm that was used to create them. Just the way we keep cash or cards in a physical wallet, Bitcoins are also stored in a wallet, a digital wallet. Your digital wallet can be hardware-based or web-based. Your wallet can also reside on your mobile device or on a computer, or even kept safe by printing the keys on paper. There are a growing number of businesses and individuals using Bitcoin. This includes online businesses as well as your brick-and-mortar businesses. Bitcoin payments are easier to make than debit or credit card purchases. It is possible to send and receive Bitcoins anywhere in the world at any time. No bank holidays, no borders, no bureaucracy. Bitcoin allows its users to be in full control of their money. Bitcoin transactions are secure, irreversible, and do not contain customers' sensitive or personal information. People trust Bitcoin because it requires no actual trust at all. Bitcoin is fully open source and decentralized. This means that anyone has access to the entire source code at any time. Anyone in the world can verify exactly how Bitcoin works. All transactions and Bitcoins issued into existence can be transparently consulted in real time by anyone. All payments can be made without reliance on a third party. And the whole system is protected by heavily peer-reviewed cryptographic algorithms. The systems are even more secure than those used for online banking. That's because no organization or individual can control Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network remains secure even after over 10 years of exposure to the world. Whether you want to use Bitcoin for transactions, or use it to park your money away from banks or the stock market, or use it as an investment, you should learn as much as you can about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies before you take action. Click the links associated with this video for more information. And if you find our channel helpful, please subscribe and click the notification bell. If you have any questions, enter them in the comments section. Thanks for watching another Bitcoin Crypto.Money video.